April 15th, 2022. There's the trail, the bridge, the end. Always wanting to go off trail in the dangerous icy areas. The ice is almost breaking below us, falling in. Really nice. Look at it. Big canyon. Super big canyon. Jasper, Alberta. Still April 15th, 2022. It's pretty cool. A few kilometers long. Look at this ice wall. Climb that one. Hey? Lots of stuff falling, I guess. It just keeps going and going forever. It's hard getting up here without ice. What's happened?
Go that way. A truck of ice came falling down.
Oh, that would have hurt. Ice falling just about on my head. Okay, there. Look at it in here. Pretty wicked. See, the water used to be way up there. You can hear it starting to come.
You're the only stupid ones in here. Nobody else. But don't make it loud because if we, if that chunk of ice comes down,
Yeah. Where does this end? Whoa! It's like a skating rink. I should have brought my ice hockey gear. That would have been better. It's hard getting up here without cleats on. What happened? There's stuff falling all over. Because it's all melting. Is this like thick enough to hold us?